How to add music to Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can add music to your Instagram story. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to add music to your Instagram story, what you would need to do is to first of all go ahead and launch the Instagram application on your phone, and then go about creating a normal story as you would do when you would upload a picture or a video. So let me also just go ahead and choose a random picture right over here, and let's say I want to add music to this story. If I want to add music, I'll need to tap on the sticker icon from the top right, and here I'll find the option called music. I need to tap on this music sticker over here, and I'll find many of the music that I want to use. Just select it up. If you want, you can also search for a specific music, or you could go to the browse section to find more of your own choice. Now just select any of the music that you want to add, and then select a style for the sticker. So you can go ahead and just choose a style that you want to be it in a lyrical format or what kind of format that you want. You can also choose the duration anywhere between 15 seconds to less. So what you can also do is you can also change the verse of the song as to which verse do you actually want to listen to. And once you've done that, just tap on the done button. You can drag this music icon to whichever part of the story that you wish to drag it to. That's all it takes to add music to your Instagram story. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.